નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Standard 3rd, Subject Environment, Chapter number 12, Work We Do, Part 1.
Good morning students, how are you all? See, there are many people living around us or in our neighborhood, and all these people, they are connected with different kinds of work. Means each and every people is doing different kind of work. For example, doctor, teacher, then engineer, then builder, mechanic, plumber, wireman, businessman, policeman, fire brigade. All the peoples, they are connected with different professions, and each and every person are very important in our daily life. Okay, so here in our next chapter, that is chapter number 12, work we do, we will learn about the different people and the different work done by them. Okay, so now let us start our chapter. Okay, so in this chapter there is a person whose name is Ramesh. Okay, and what is Ramesh doing? So Ramesh is a mason. Mason means the person who makes the building or houses is called a mason. Okay, so one day he reached to the tea stall after taking his breakfast. Okay, and his brother Rajesh, who has came from the village, he was also with him. Okay, so when they reached to the tea stall, there is one more person working on the tea stall, worker, who serves you tea. So that worker also came and gave them the tea and a newspaper. Okay, so what did the Rajesh say? So the Rajesh said that how you can spend the whole day sitting here? Don't you get bored? Okay, so the Ramesh is saying that no, I will do my work. What he is saying that no, I will not sit here the whole day. He will do his work. And he said that look around, there are many other people, they are doing different types of work. Okay, so all of us don't realize how the time flies, right? Now see, there is one picture given. Look at this picture. See, there are some children, a group of children, and they are running because they are late for their school. See, everybody is running. See, there is one teacher, she is also late today, and it seems that her sandal is broken. Now see, in the picture there is one cobbler sitting there, and his name is Jagubai. So the teacher is going to the Jagubai to repair her sandal. Okay, and it is good for the Jagubai because he will get some money in the morning itself. Okay, now Champa is sitting there with her basket full of flowers. The lady working in the post office buys flower from her every day. So there is a girl whose name is Champa, and she is selling the flowers on the money. Okay, and there is one lady who is working in the post office. She buys flower from Champa every day. Okay, now the construction work has started again. The truck is bringing materials. The workers will again be busy for the whole day. Now see, in the picture there is one truck. It is carrying the building material. So the building material has came. So now every worker will be very busy doing their work. Now look there, the doctor and the nurse are entering the hospital together. See, Raji with his fruit cart. These days he also brings, so who is selling the Raiji, and nowadays he is bringing his daughter named Mamta. Okay, so Mamta also run around and deliver the fruits and collect the money. Nanu the barber has laid out his shop, but whom will he shave? So Nanu the barber, he has also laid out his shop, and who will come to shave there? Right in the middle of the crossing stands Iqbal Singh. Throughout the day he blows his whistle and keeps shouting, "Move your vehicle from here. Hey, have you not heard me? Take the cart away." So Iqbal Singh is a traffic police, and you all know that what is the work of the traffic police? So the traffic police clears the traffic. So he has to stand in the middle of the road. So the Iqbal Singh is standing in the middle of the road and controlling the traffic. So he has to stand there throughout the day, and he is blowing his whistle and saying the vehicles to move from there. Saying this, Ramesh put down his empty cap and walked to the nearby shop. How do people sell their things across the road or weekly market? Okay. Now there is given one exercise, so let us see that exercise. So now what is written in that exercise? Look carefully at the picture and write what work is being done by different people. So in the picture there are given many different people and they are doing different types of work. So from that picture we have to find the people that are doing different types of work. Okay, so now let us see. Woman cleaning in front of post office. Then there is a man selling fruits. Shopkeeper waiting for customers. A girl selling flowers. A cobbler mending shoes. Mending means repairing. Children going to school. A traffic police clearing the traffic. Okay, so there are asked about the 8 people. I have written here about the 7 people. So one you have to find by yourself. Okay, let me see how you can observe the picture. Okay, so now there is one more exercise. Let us see that also. So now let us see the next exercise. What kind of work do people do in your neighborhood? Name any 5. What are these workers called? So in this exercise we have to write the different work done by the different people, and also we have to write what they are called. Okay, so the first one is given for you. So the first one is repair cars and scooters. So who repairs cars and scooters? So mechanic. Okay, so the next one is treating patients. So who treats the patients? So doctor. Then selling vegetables. So the person who sells vegetable is called greengrocer. The person who repairs taps, etc., pipes, tapes, okay, is called plumber. Then the person who sells things from the shop is called shopkeeper. Person who is building homes is called mason. Okay, so these are the different people who are doing different types of work. Let us see the next exercise. In the picture on the first page of this lesson, some buildings have been shown. In the list below, put a red dot on the names of these buildings. Also put a green dot on names of those buildings that are in your surrounding. Surrounding means nearby place. Okay. So the first is post office. So if you are living nearby the post office, so you can put a green circle around it. Okay. So first of all, let us see the buildings given in the picture. So that is the telephone booth, petrol pump, temple, police station and bank. So you have to put red dot near these 5 buildings. Okay, now let us see the buildings that are surrounding your house. So everybody read these, and if you are living any of the nearby place, then put a green dot near that building. Okay. Now there is one more exercise. Let us solve that also. So now let us see the next exercise. Write the name of any 5 buildings and the work done in them. Okay, so in our first exercise, we have seen the pictures in the, different people doing different work in the picture. In the next exercise, we have seen the work done by different people and what they are called. And in this exercise, we have to write the name of the building and what work is done there. Okay, so first one is given hospital. So what is done in the hospital? So if any person is sick, so they can take a treatment in that hospital. Okay, and the small children, they are also vaccinated in the hospital, right? So hospital, what work is done? Treatment of patients and vaccination of children. Now the next is bank. And what work is done in the bank? So exception and payment of money and saving money. Exception means we can put our money in the bank and also we can take money from the bank. And we can put our savings in the bank. There is one account, it is called savings account. Okay. The next is post office. So in the post office, sending and receiving letters, parcels, money orders. Okay. So we can send parcel, then letters and money orders, and we can also receive it from the post office. The next is school. So you all know what is done in the school. So in the school, educating children. Next is court. So in the court, doing justice. So if any person has done any type of crime, then the other person can go to the court for the justice. Okay, so the court, there is a judge and a lawyer. Okay, so the judge listens to both the persons, and after listening to them, the judge gives their right judgment. Okay. So in the picture, you saw many people were working together to make a new building. Okay. So school is also one such place where many people work together. For example, in the school, there are many teachers, then a principal, then a peon, then the clerk. Each and every section, there are many people who work together. Okay. So here it is asked that write what work is done in the school. Okay. So the first is providing education, means to give education to the children. Then motivating for various activities. Motivate means to encourage. Okay, so to encourage the children to take participate in different activities. Then habit of prayer in the morning. So you all know that daily we start our education. Before that, we always remember the God by saying the prayer. Okay, so we can say that it is our daily routine to do the prayer before starting our periods. So this habit is given by the school. Skill enhancing activities. Okay, skill means, see, some of the children might be good in sports, some in the drawing, some in the music. So who enhance this activity means take out their skills from them school. Okay, molds every child to become a good citizen. Okay, molds means dhalna. So the school makes all the child so that in future they will become a very good citizen. Teachers teaches children. So who teaches in the school? Teachers, right? Now the next question is, are there any children in the picture who are not going to school? What are they doing? So let us see this answer. So in the picture we have seen that many different people are doing different type of work, right? So in that picture also there are some children, they are going to school, but still there are some children who are not going to school. And what are they doing? We have to write it here. So in the picture there is a boy at the tea stall who is selling the tea, and a girl who is selling watermelon with her father. So we have seen now that when Ramesh Bhai reached to the tea stall, there was one worker boy who served tea to them, right? And there is a girl who has came, Mamta, who has came with her father to sell the fruits. Okay, so this was our part 1. So in our part 1 we have learned about the different types of people and the different types of work done by the people, and also what are the person are called, and what are the different places, and what are the different types of work done in that places. So till here everyone clear this chapter?
Thank you for joining us.